Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you are new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY videos. Please do take a moment and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it for notification. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this beautiful cool toned lilac lavender eye makeup look. The inspiration behind this is a post that I saw on Instagram, so if you're interested then keep on watching because it's very easy to create. So to begin with, first I'm going to prime my lids with Wet n Wild's concealer in the shade medium beige. You know the drill. I'll blend this well and then I'm going to set that with some translucent powder so that it doesn't freeze, because these days I feel my lids are getting oilier. So I'm setting it with this Colourpop setting powder in translucent, and once I'm done with that, I'm going to use NYX Sugar Trip Squad palette and I'm going to use that beautiful lilac shade with a pink undertone. It's like a pink lavender color, I would say. I'm going to blend that and that's going to be my transition shade here. So I'm going to blend that well. So the star shade of this eye makeup look is this beautiful lavender shade from the same palette. I'm going to use a flat shader brush and I'm going to apply that shade all over my lid. It has a lot of fallout because it's slightly powdery. So apply that all over your lid, and I'm going to take the same blending brush and I'm going to blend out the edges so that the crease looks seamless. And now I'm going to work on my brows with Sugar's Brow Definer in Cherry Brown. I'm just going to brush my brows, apply small strokes of that brow definer, and I'm going to brush it again through so that I have that natural eyebrows. Next product, I'm going to use this NYX concealer in light, and I have mixed Elegance Pro Conceal in the shade orange and I made my own custom concealer. I'm going to apply that, blend it well, then set it with some translucent powder, and then I'm going to use this Mary Luminizer by Balm Cosmetics. I'm going to use that in the middle of my lid just to have that spotlight kind of effect, a little shimmer. And the same as my brow definer, under eyebrow definer, and I'm going to use LA Girls Pro Conceal in the shade medium beige, and I'm going to apply that on my under eye area, blend it well and set that again with some translucent powder. Next, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty's Electric Obsession palette, and I'm going to use this beautiful shade of yellow and orange on my lower lash line. So I'm going to apply yellow first and then I'm going to go with orange that is slightly closer to my lower lash line. I'm going to use Gigi Hadid's liner in black on my upper waterline, and I'm going to use this Nicka K Auto eyeliner in royal purple on my lower waterline. Best in the shade Wish Me Luck. It's kind of a chunky glitter, so I'm going to apply that. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply a good coat of Maybelline's Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. If you want, you can go ahead and add some falsies. This is a no liner look and it's very easy to create. So applying mascara here, and guys, this is a very easy eye makeup look, so do give it a try. And guys, this is the final eye makeup look. Super easy lavender lilac eye makeup, perfect for winter, summers, anything or any occasion. Guys, there are many more eye tutorials on my channel. Please don't forget to check them out, and if you like this video, please comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. And do show some love guys by subscribing. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please visit my website for other nail art DIY videos. So take care, bye bye.